Hello and welcome to another episode of Drive, Eat, Repeat. Let's explore a bit of Raipur and some delicacies of Chhattisgarh. We arrived early in the morning and checked into this hotel across the street opposite to the Raipur railway station. They had some really amazing parathas and chole bhature to get us started for an exciting day ahead. We wanted to explore the city like a local, so we rented a scooter and headed out. It was a bright and a beautiful sunny day. Our first stop was Mahant Ghasidas Samarak Sangrahalay, a museum where we were able to get a glimpse of anthropological and natural history artifacts, some pottery, and beautiful sculptures. It was time for lunch. Just beside the museum, we found the Garh Kalewa, a restaurant where you will find unique delicacies with a different and a beautiful seating arrangement. You will find an amazing art installation at the entrance. It was so real, so beautiful. I don't know what you call it, but the characters pop out, look so real. Also, there is this carving on the door that greets you in. People were very friendly and welcoming here. You can place the order at the counter near the entrance. Also, you can grab some sweet treats while you wait for your order. We ordered a thali. We had some faras, chilas, sabudana vadas, gulgulas, ursas, chauselas. You might find these names really difficult, but trust us, it's worth the amazing taste of them. So yeah, if you can read Hindi, you can plan your order right away. What we are looking at right now are some chilas, a batter of flour mixed with some flavorful condiments cooked on a pan to become a fluffy pancake with some amazing crunchy edges. You can add some fresh chutneys to go with these, and here they put pots of chutneys right at the counter where you pick up your order. And these are mungedis. They are round and crispy from outside, yet soft and filled with spices inside. Here are sago vadas, or you may know it as sabudana vadas. These fritters are made with sago, potatoes, and peanuts. Preparing these consumes a lot of time as sagos need to be soaked overnight for them to be soft, but they are worth the wait. And these are vadas in the making. These cooks have some great skills. And our favorite chauselas are made here. Alright, it's time to sit and savor these delicacies. Every bite of every dish was super tasty. We literally had to put some effort into carrying this thali. It's incredible how they actually serve the thali in a heavy brass plate and bowls. It was a great experience to sit under the cool tree shade on a hot sunny afternoon and enjoy these tasty dishes. Garh Kalewa, we have arrived at Telibandha Talab, also known as Raipur's Marine Drive. This makes a perfect evening hangout place. This huge pond has lots of fish and ducks in it, and it is surrounded by a lot of eateries. Though we were very early here, but we were lucky enough to find an open shop that was preparing steaming hot litti chokha. It was an irresistible sight. And we went on to have some and flushed it down with some juices and sodas from the juice factory. If you ever visit Raipur, Garh Kalewa and Telibandha Talab are a must visit. Leave a comment if you are from Raipur and let us know more about these places and other interesting places around, and we will for sure visit them on our next trip. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do share this video and subscribe to our channel. Drive, eat, repeat.